Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where files and folders have disappeared in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, before anything else, just open the recycle bin and check if you find the options here. Okay, so the next one is that you can search for it. For example, let's say the file is with my name. Okay, you'll have to search for it here. Do you find it here? If yes, you can check its location as well. So you click on this and click on open file location. Okay, and this is how you can search for files. Now here's one more thing. Open the file explorer, click on view, select show, and then check the box associated with hidden files. Now search for it again, because earlier it could have been hidden, but now it may appear. If you find it in this list, then you can also click on documents and all. If you find it in the list, simply go to open file location and check the location of this file. So mostly you'll find the documents this way. If not, then they would have been permanently deleted. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.